Oscilloscope's workshop. So I had to show you guys how much I could fit in this Micsig carry bag for this oscilloscope. Well, as you can see on the outside, I put in my breakout box. Just using a little carabiner, saves me a lot of room for on the inside. I'm gonna set that right over there. Now, man, I wish I could see through. I wish I could see what y'all are seeing while I'm doing this. Anyway, look, it's not overstuffed. Just want y'all to see that. And I'm showing y'all this because there's a lot in here, a lot more than I thought I'd be able to fit in here for sure. Let's take a look in this way. Alright, so as you can see in here, got two fuse buddies, back probes, little wire hook, four 3-meter pico leads. I did go with the pico leads. I don't know if I told you all that. I bought the ATO 1104. It came with some leads, but they were just too short, I thought, for my use anyway. So I went with the pico. I had the choice out of 3 or 5 meters. I went with the 3-meter leads. This was before I knew Micsig made longer leads. I'm curious of how good their longer leads are. Anyway, 5 3-meter leads, 2 20-to-1 attenuators. What is this one called? Capacitive secondary ignition clamp for clicking on spark plugs and what have you. 6 feet long. And this here is the lead for the Pico COP ignition probe. This probe right here, actually. COP ignition probe. This is the Pico one. I do have the Micsig one. I don't have it right here at the table right now, but it has its own case, so there's no point putting it in here. I just grab its case when I go. 4 alligator clamps. One low current clamp, one or low amp current clamp. It's a Pico. High amp current clamp. That one's also a Pico. I have my Micsig current clamp, but again, it's in its own box. It came in its own case, so there's no reason for me to put it in here. And then one Micsig 1104. ATO 1104. So there you have it. Look at that. I had to show you all this. That's a lot of stuff for this little bag. And like I said, it's not crammed in there. I mean, it's snug, of course. There you have it. Look at that. The whole shebang, guys. So all of that in one fairly small Micsig handbag I just picked up. I've been wanting that bag for a while. Like I said, I was using that backpack, and did I show you? I don't know if I showed you on this video. I was using this backpack It's a lot bigger though. I was able to fit everything in it. It's a laptop backpack, so it's padded in there. Anyway, I've been wanting the Micsig bag, and here it is. So that's it, guys. I just want to show you how much stuff you can fit in there. It's bigger on the inside. That's it. Thanks for stopping by. If y'all are thinking about getting the bag, would I recommend it? Sure. I mean, I haven't taken it out on any jobs yet or nothing. I just got it yesterday. It has not been out of the house. At first, I was skeptical. I was almost thinking I was gonna still use the backpack, but after being able to get all this in there, and like I said, it's in there comfortably. Now, when I had the scope in here, I did have the scope like this facing towards the back. The front padding and the back padding is the same thickness, so I don't see how that matters. When I set it down, I set it like this anyway. I don't lay it on its front or its face or its back. And now, of course, if I was gonna put in the smart scope, I haven't even tried this yet. I'm assuming it's gonna fit, but I'm probably gonna have to take out the divider. No, actually not. So that divider is still, can y'all see that? That divider is still in there. I thought I'd have to take it out to put the, what is this, the STO 1104E. But nah, divider's still in there. It's pushing on it a little bit, so if I was to put both the current clamps in, it'd probably be a tight fit if I can even get them. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be a tight fit. I could probably get it if I, readjust the wires and stuff. But this one I probably won't have in the bag much, because this is more my, I guess you call it like my bench scope. Now I am using it out. I have used it a few times on the cars, but like I said, I just think the ATO, it's just more what do you call it? Durable, more robust. Doesn't feel like it's been, it just feels more protected with this plastic around it compared to the STO. And like I said, the back, the stand is thicker compared to the stand on the STO. So yep, anyway, that's that, guys. I'll let y'all go. Just wanted to show y'all how much stuff we can fit in there, and it's surprisingly a lot. Alright, we'll see y'all in the next one, guys. Thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you are subscribed, thank you. I appreciate you. Appreciate all the support for the channel. Alright.